Hi, I'm Dustin Lemick, CEO at BriteCo Jewelry Watch Insurance. Today I'm covering what deductibles are and how to navigate them when filing a claim for your jewelry insurance. Deductibles, a common feature in insurance policies, require policyholders to pay a specific amount out of pocket before coverage kicks in. While deductibles can lower premiums, they may also deter some from seeking necessary care, especially for expensive claims. So while many types of insurance have high deductibles, jewelry insurance often offers zero deductible plans for added protection. Understanding how deductibles work is really important when selecting the right insurance for your valuable jewelry. An insurance deductible is a set cost you must pay out of pocket before your insurance company starts paying for covered services. It's a cost-sharing approach to various types of insurance, such as health, auto, or homeowners insurance, and it encourages policy owners to take on part of the financial risk of coverage. So the term deductible basically means the amount you deduct from your own money before your insurance company steps in to help cover the rest of a covered cost. So typically an insurance plan will enforce an initial yearly deductible amount you're responsible for. Once you pay for the covered items up to that deductible amount, the insurance provider covers any additional expenses for the rest of the coverage period. Deductibles can vary based on policy type and coverage. And some policies have a single deductible for all claims, while others have family-wide or separate deductibles for specific types of losses. So once a deductible is met, the insurance company covers the remaining costs up to the policy limits. For example, a health insurance deductible applies to all family members, while homeowners insurance might have separate deductibles for, say, storm damage and theft. So understanding these nuances helps policyholders anticipate out-of-pocket costs. Deductible amounts can vary based on insurance type and coverage level. Higher deductibles often mean lower premiums, and lower deductibles lead to higher premiums typically. For example, a high deductible health plan might have lower monthly premiums, but a higher out-of-pocket cost before coverage starts. Conversely, a low deductible plan has higher premiums, but lower out-of-pocket costs. Understanding these trade-offs help policyholders choose the best plan that suits their needs and their budgets. Homeowners insurance may offer some coverage for jewelry, but it has limitations. These limitations include low coverage limits, typically around $1,500, and meeting a relatively high deductible, sometimes from $500 to $2,000 or 2% of the home value before coverage applies. So what does that mean? That means homeowners insurance may not provide enough coverage for valuable jewelry, so you'd want to consider dedicated jewelry insurance for more comprehensive protection. Specialty jewelry insurance can help you get comprehensive coverage without worrying about limits or deductibles. At BriteCo, we offer no deductible jewelry insurance covering your important jewelry pieces at up to 125% of their replacement value. Our plans are affordable and they offer worldwide coverage for loss, damage, theft, and mysterious disappearance. Plus, with BriteCo, you can expect a seamless claims process if the worst happens, without worrying about coming up with a deductible payment to replace or repair your jewelry. So certainly don't let deductibles hold you back from protecting your precious jewelry. Feel free to get a quote today. What is the difference between a deductible, premium, and copay? Deductibles, premiums, and copays have different functions within an insurance policy. A deductible is the amount you must pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage starts. A premium is simply a monthly, quarterly, or annual payment you make to maintain your insurance coverage. A copay is a fixed amount paid when receiving a covered service. So for example, a $20 copay for a doctor's visit. How does deductibles affect insurance premiums? Generally, higher deductibles result in reduced insurance premiums, while lower deductibles result in higher premiums. Choosing a higher deductible can be a way to reduce your monthly insurance costs, but it also means you'll need to pay more out of pocket before coverage kicks in. Are all types of insurance policies subject to deductibles? No, not all insurance policies have deductibles. Some policies, such as specialty insurance, may not require deductibles. However, most common types of insurance like health, auto, and homeowners typically do have deductibles. Can I choose my deductible amount? In many cases, yes. Insurance providers often offer deductible options to policyholders. You can usually select a deductible amount that matches your budget and risk tolerance. However, some insurance policies may have fixed deductibles that cannot be changed. Is there a deductible for jewelry insurance? Deductibles may vary depending on the policy and the provider. However, specialty jewelry insurance providers like BriteCo often offer deductible-free plans for comprehensive coverage without any upfront deductible payments for claims related to your valuable jewelry. Thanks for watching. Contact us for more information or to get your free jewelry insurance quote. Thanks.